Lentros, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Puppy Bot. That means robotic pet. More about robotic pet? That's easy. A robotic pet is an artificially intelligent machine made in the image of an animal, commonly kept as a pet. Robotic pets also include things that normally considered pets like Pleo, a simulation robot. Dinosaur robot pets also keep elderly people from being depressed and also keep them active. A very popular robot pet is Techno, the robot puppy. A robotic pet. Types of robotic dogs: Aibo, Techno, iDog, RX, and Big Dog. Aibo moves and gestures in hundreds of adorable patterns. Techno, the robotic puppy, also known as Techstar the robotic puppy, was a popular electronic robotic toy which originally launched in late 2000. Techno sold over 7 million units in its first season and went on to sell over 40 million units in its original 4 years of production. The worldwide popularity for Techno led to prominent awards and widespread media coverage, which included newspaper articles, television and film appearances, and a stand-alone feature on the cover time of a magazine. iDog. The iDog was a robot dog toy designed and manufactured by Sega Toys. An iDog figure receives input from an external music source such as an MP3 player and will light up and dance to the music rhythm. It is marked as the e-dog in Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands. RX. RX is an autonomous robot design based on exopad with component legs and one actuator per leg. A number of US universities have participated with funding grants also coming from DARPA. Big Dog. Big Dog is a dynamically stable guerra-type military robot that was created in 2005 by Boston Dynamics with Foster Miller, the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and the Harvard University Concord Field Station. It was funded by DARPA, but the project was shelved after the Big Dog was deemed too loud to combat. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe.